If Alfredo picked two wholes and 3/4 pounds of peaches from the tree in his backyard, he gave one whole and 1/4 to his neighbor Madeline. How many pounds of peaches does Alfredo have left? I drew a model to see what I was doing. So I first drew 2 holes and 3/4, and then I drew 1 hole and 1/4. Then I subtracted those and I got one hole and 2/4. And then I said, or they could be 1 and 1/2. If Alfredo picked two holes, 3/4 pounds, and then gave 1 and 1/4 pounds to Madeline, he would have 1.5 pounds of peaches left, or 1 and 2/4 peaches left.